Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to fix taskbar is too big in just an PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to taskbar is too big in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Now down. If you want to lock, so right click on lock the taskbar. Not click. If you want to run, so right click on unlock the taskbar. That's So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want taskbar is too big in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Very simple and easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel for latest update.